and his cow. A short moral story. Once upon a time, in a quiet village, there lived a poor but hard-working farmer named Ravi. He owned a single cow, Gauri, who provided him with fresh milk every day. Ravi would sell the milk in the market and earn just enough to feed himself and his cow. One day, Ravi's neighbor, a wealthy but greedy merchant, said, "Why don't you sell your cow? With the money, you can start a bigger business." Ravi thought about it but shook his head. "Gauri is not just a cow, she is my family," he said. One evening, a severe storm hit the village. Crops were destroyed, and many farmers lost their animals. When Ravi went to check on Gauri, he found her shivering but alive. He took great care of her, feeding her the little food he had left. Days passed, and as the village struggled, Ravi continued selling milk, while the wealthy merchant, who had lost all his cattle in the storm, had nothing left. Seeing this, he realized his mistake and told Ravi, "I was wrong. True wealth is not in money but in what stays with you during hard times." Moral: gratitude and care for what we have bring lasting rewards. True wealth lies in loyalty and hard work, not greed. Thank you for watching.